Hello everybody and welcome. For my little swatch today I'm going to chain total of 28 chains. Depending on how wide you want your project to be, you have to chain multiple of 6 plus 4 additional chains. So let's begin making our chains. Start row 1 with 1 treble crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. So yarn over twice. This is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th chain from the hook. And we have to make 1 treble crochet like this. And then 4 more in the next 4 loops. The next stitch we have to make is a cable stitch. So for our treble crochet we yarned over twice, but for this cable we have to yarn over 4 times on the hook. Insert the hook at the base of the first treble crochet. Here it is, and here is the base. So we're going to turn slightly and insert the hook right here. Take the yarn and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 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 and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. And this is how it's looking. It goes across all of the stitches. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and in the next 5 stitches we're going to make 5 treble crochet. And now yarn over 4 times, insert the hook at the base of the first treble crochet, and make the next cable. Okay, like this. Then chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and again 5 treble crochet, then cable. So when you reach the end of the row, you have to have 1 stitch left at the end. Make your last cable, don't chain 1, just yarn over twice and go directly into this stitch to make 1 treble crochet. Okay, like this. For row 2, chain 4 and turn. Now we have to work around this 5 double crochet here. We have to make again treble crochet. They will be back post treble crochet. So yarn over, turn slightly, get the cable out of the way so we have a clear view of the stitches here. Go behind the stitch and make 1 treble crochet. like this. Then moving on to the next stitch, go behind it and make the next treble crochet. And then around the next stitch. So when we are ready with the back post treble crochet, it's time to work around the cable. So yarn over 4 times, turn, here's our cable, go, here's the top of the cable, here's the bottom of the cable, go into the top of the cable, insert the hook at the very top, take the yarn and make the next cable the same way. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops until you reach the end. And this is how it's looking. It's starting to take the shape. Turn again to continue, chain 1. We are skipping this chain space here, going around each of the next 5 treble crochet the same way, back post treble crochet around each of them. Here's our first one, going behind the next stitch, like this, and the next one, now that we are ready with the 5 back post treble crochet, again it's time to yarn over 4 times, turn and find our next cable. By the way, I call cables everything that is longer than double treble crochet, so if you know another way to call these stitches, let me know down in the comments. So we have to find the top of the cable here, insert the hook somewhere at the top and make the next cable. Okay, like this. Turn, chain 1 and go the same way in each of the next groups of treble crochet until you reach the end. By the way, if you enjoy working with these longer stitches like treble crochet, double treble crochet, cables, I have 2 written scarf patterns that use similar techniques and you might find them interesting. I'll put somewhere here on the screen photos, and down below in the description I'll put the links to them. Okay, just let me show you how to finish the row. I have made my last group of back post treble crochet. Here on the back is the last cable, and now to finish the row we have to make 1 treble crochet in the chain at the end. Okay, right here. This is how it's looking from this side, and this is the front side. Now let's start with row 3, chain 4, and turn. Again, we have to start working first on the treble crochet here behind. We have to make again treble crochet, front post treble crochet. So move the cable out of the way, go behind the stitch and make the next treble crochet like this, the same way around the next stitch. When we are done with the 5 treble crochet, again we have to make cable. Yarn over 4 times. Here is our cable from the previous row. At the top of the cable, insert the hook somewhere and make the next cable. Like this. Chain 1, and we're moving on to the next group of stitches. Again, 1 treble crochet first around each of the stitches. Each of the stitches, and then 1 cable at the top of the previous cable. To finish the row, make 1 treble crochet in the chain at the end. This is how it's looking so far. So from now on you have to repeat rows 2 and 3 until you reach the desired length. The stitch goes very fast, it's very easy and interesting. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to make some finished project with this stitch. I think it might look very well on some kind of scarf. But yeah, let me know down in the comments. This is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!